Hey everyone, today I have for you a really good quality mug. It's a great mug for people who like Christmas or cats. This is a wraparound design. As you can see, the cats are there. It says Meowy Christmas with some ornaments and a tree. It has a cool little snowflake poinsettia border around the top and bottom. The walls on this are nice and thick. This will help prevent it breaking during usage and washing it. The handle is nice and big. My hands are big, so I don't have to worry about it touching the mug when it's hot. That's really good. The transfer on here is done very well. It's not something that's going to peel or chip. This will really be a really cool mug as a gift for Christmas to a coworker or a friend who likes cats and Christmas. Fill it with some candy, a little plant, cactus, or a variety of coffee.